Now I'm doing a little prep work. I have these cut to fit inside my bookcase, and just want to show you how little I actually prep these. I barely do anything with these. Basically, this is pretty much all I do. And that's really all the prep work I do. I have to taking this on my cell phone, and this is a Galaxy S7, and they claim these batteries have long lives. Well, that is the biggest bunch of crap I've ever heard in my life. If you don't have one of these old battery chargers for your phone, you're only going to get an hour's worth of phone. Anyway, this is what I got. So I don't really prep these all too much. I like the roughness, the rough texture. Maybe just try to break down the wood fibers a little bit so it gets a little bit of a smoother finish. But I like the character of the wood. Also, in this section over here, you see I have two pieces together. I don't need to do that. I've got plenty of material to do that in one, but just the grain in this is absolutely gorgeous, and the grain in these, I just wanted these two pieces in there because it's really going to just pop. And in this piece over here, what I find is almost in the worst condition the wood is in. Once you finish that and do whatever kind of finish you're going to do on it, the more character it has, and it just looks absolutely stunning. So I am going to stain these now, and I'll show you how I do that, and you'll see what they will look like after they're stained.